Blue sky, blue sky. Hello everyone. Look at that. A beautiful view in here, guys. So sunny but it's cold. Yep. Alright, let's go walking. Hello vlog. Another day, another vlog. Let's go walking, guys. Exercise. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Malamig. Alright, hello everyone. Let's go walking. Let's go to the mall, guys. Walk, walk, walk tayo. It's from the bundok. Downtown over there. Down, 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 down. Look, the building. Look at the building. Let's go walking, guys. Bundok ibok-ibok ito, guys. Ayun ang downtown. There, down, down, down. Mataas po ito na bundok. Bahayan, building, school, hospital, condos. It's a condo. This part, guys, this part of around downtown, the condo is very expensive. Yep, very expensive. All the condos, that's for rent. The houses, it's a million. Continue walking. Let's go to the mall. May bibilin lang tayo. Sana meron. Diba, guys? Nature. Nature, nature. Houses over there, guys. Houses. Ilang hakbang pa. Ilang hakbang pa. Bago makarating sa mall. Ilang hakbang pa. Marami pa. Sun. Hello, Sun. 2 o'clock. Nandun pa ang sun. Pababa na siya. Kasi 4 o'clock. Ano siya. Madilim na po dito. So, 2 more hours. Opo. 2 o'clock pa lang, guys. Look at that. Building is waving. Yun ang mall. Yun, pupunta tayo doon, guys. Doon. Alright. Keep walking. Keep walking. Lapit na, ilang hakbang na lang. Dog. So clean, guys, so clean. Lapit na. Lapit na. Andito na tayo, guys. Oh, papasok na tayo. Dito. I'm inside now, guys. Look at that light. Christmas light. Yeah. Down there. We'll go here first. We'll see. We check if they have something special for me. Yeah, sana all. Kate Spade guys. Kate Spade. Mahal nito bag. Magkano ang presyo? Kuha tayo dito guys. Panyo. Sales $13. Not bad. Ayun o, $13. Let's go. Kuha tayo sa my favorite color guys. Kunin natin ito. Kunin natin ito. It's only $12. Pero malaki siya. Diba? Parang kumot na oh. Laki oh. Kunin natin ito. Isang panyo, isang ano. Mas mahal pa yung panyo. Mas mahal pa yung panyo kaysa yung ano. Guys, tignan nyo oh. MK. MK, magkano ito? Let's see. How much? $40 guys. $40. MK. Guys, kumot oh. Kung red sana, is my favorite color, red. Kumot naman. Ang laki na. Ang bigat to.
What about this one?
Bear. Chocolate. Ito lang nabili natin guys. Napili natin. Chocolates. Chocolate. Belen. Siya Belen, no? We're here in hardware. Hardware. Another store, guys. Another store. A plant. Cactus. Cactus. Plant. Green, green, green. Plant, plant, plant. Cute plant. It's a big bear over here, guys. Big bear. Look at this. Generator, guys, oh. Ang gandang generator, oh. Wow, may gulong siya. Wow, sana all. How much the price? 600, guys. 600. 600 Canadian dollar. Sino may gusto, guys? Generator. Scooter. Scooter. There's another one. Scooter. 900 na lang, guys. Before is 1.3. Merry Christmas. Let's go home na, guys. Uwi na tayo. Tama na ang shopping. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Again, bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Magbalot tayo at lalabas na tayo. Bye bye. Bye.